2024. If you go. If you come out to say, oh, we are we mokparijo moya gbina. If I'm to believe you, if I'm to where if you become can work more for no na saga me na we. Because I supposed to travel July 14. You understand? And I talk her. But I can't change my ticket to July 19. If you enter here July 12. On Edenove or Mate believe where or me it is a me don't travel. Or ya me where the man command go declare 60 BG. Only ma kan me ihwe when wuna. So owuni
if you return the winner
I didn't do her so. My dear, it's when I'm driver for the joints. When I made the video with me,
I see the video. But he's saying can't greet the other woman when you are in
my sister, if they can't greet person, I shall join the greet person.
You know what I asked the day? You know what I asked?
Not the same house, not be the same house the day. Person when he day for house, he can't greet her. I shall join and not 2 hours son. Now 11 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock.
You know why I asked this question?
Me mind understand the matter now.
I say.
The thing now what the eminare na Olita.
Thank you very much. Just calm down. Say you are done with your question. Ebony, if I have a question to ask Esan daughter, she's here now. Because Ebony, you were doubting what you have said. So she's here now. Question.
If I get questions too.
Yeah, Mama, you ask. Ebony. Esan daughter,
Ekesi nani ekese baba na David no gbedo were gbebe mwela ti avege na ike.
Voilà. Emi no so Vicky.
Hold on first.
But I need to get say mama, 2 minutes that wo. So if you no see mama, me na are Facebook, TikTok or you on Monday no. Either a day Monday or Tuesday. You know, do have a brother update. One of our brother, Sarah's brother, no Spain, or with video. Then you know where this Europe tour must stop. So you know, criticize the musicians in any way we say. So if Victor or Roduhun, another person will Roduhun, then they by update. So one man I do a complain where one musician when the mama late. So he can't pay for one Benin musician, may go play for a mama burial. So the musician not go, the musician can go send junior person go there. So they reach there, they not play waiting like, and the musician band not good. The man can say the day when the musician could enter this Europe, he go make sure say he refund the money or Balek go come. So now if Frank Victor with update, can they ask the man say who be the musician? The man say you know one mention name. Now update and from Victor come tell and say if you not mention the musician name, we not go fit just on our live video they complain. If you don't mention the musician name, meaning you are not ready. When I can't see the way from Victor tell they talk, now me can send request go up. When they bring me up, Victor don't come down. Now I can't greet them. After I greet them, I tell them say now because of Victor, now it make me come up. But Victor, I believe say you did for FYP, you go dey listing. They tell me say waiting. Now I tell them say I hear say Victor, he dey criticize the musician when they do bad thing. So from Victor, when Olita carry girl come here, me can't complain to you say girl when Olita carry come, they threaten to carry me go prison. You not talk good. Meaning you get people when they judge the case fairly, and you get the one who know they judge the case. Now from there, people wey did the comment the boss come they complain say, Madam, what you talk? Now you update come say, Madam, which Olita? I said the musician. Are you sure? I said yes. So now from there, many people come they come up. All of them come they ask me questions. They wouldn't ask me questions. So are you sure? I said yes. That was how the case came up.
Okay, I don't understand. That means now you bring her back again.
Now me bring her back. Yes. The reason why I bring her back because even as at this 2025, the girl still threatening me.
Because let me explain that place for you. Why from
Mama boy, this thing you are doing, me I don't like it. Hold on, you don't ask questions. She's made that person still ask. I beg, Mama. People there to ask questions. I beg you. Ebony, listen. Because you the doubt since. That's the problem I have with you people. But I don't care. You can come in there.
That's how. But
Ebony,
a woman,
hold on. If you don't want to ask question, let me give it to somebody else. I said it is your turn to ask Esan daughter's question. Any question you have. If you doubt, if you don't believe, if you believe, she is here. Ask your question for 2 minutes. Thank you.
I want to come down.
Thank you. You can come down. Mrs. Eddie, you can ask your question. She's here now. Esan daughter is here. She's here. All this way, I said yesterday evening, you said something. Later in the evening, you change your mind. But I just keep quiet because I had a call that should leave the people. She's here now. Esan daughter is here to answer me. I said, please hold on. I said, we're going. I said, I will get to you later. Esan daughter is here. Anybody want to? Anybody, if you know you disagree with Esan daughter, she is here. Send request and come up.
Please, me have question. No, please,
I cannot.
I beg. Don't people they come now. Wait. I beg. More wait. And everybody will not say one question. We get a lot of requests. Ask your question. Accept Mama Anna, boy, Eddie, and say the rest of the world are they up here. Now ask your question. Now we drop. That people come. Thank you.
Okay. Eddie, ask a question.
Esan daughter. I say, man, I want to know, I beg, when be the year where the girl where they carry come Europe, enter Europe? In case, I don't know whether you know the year.
I don't feel talking for waiting call for many series of the videos. The girl enter here November 2022.
You hear now? November 2022. You say you don't hear now.
To be precise, they left Nigeria 29th of November and they reached 30th of November 2022.
Thank you. I like the way they respond to question. Any other question, Mrs. Eddie? She's here now.
I'm okay, sir.
Thank you. Let us go to Mommy Anna. You have any question to ask Esan daughter? Mommy Anna. Okay. Let us go to mommy. Aya, you have question to ask? Ask question.
Yes, sir. To know when I know verse, I bet Mama, I just want really get one question where our mommy asked finish just now. I want you to really know how you see the proof say Olita hold the girl hand conference because as that year, sorry
no verse. That is the question. We not need that here.
Less people.
Don't use that question. The whole person have come to us.
Okuda, God bless you, sir.
I will be there.
Don't be, unmute yourself and ask Esan daughter. She's here to answer.
Hello, now good evening.
Okay. Let me ask my question. Sister, now 2 minutes. What do I want to try talk? I want to be neutral. And this woman where they talk with the Esan daughter, with the column. You say now 2022 he come. And when he come, did you have any contact with the girl? Say he'll narrate to you say now Olita bring and come. Because before we
brother, you wait, yes. Like I told, like I said before. Yeah, like I said before, the person when Olita carry and come put for a care, now me would understand. Number one. And number two, like the woman tell me. And number three, when this girl they come, the woman be beg me for BTA and not get money, give her. So now it be that. Even the day when Olita carry and come here, the woman be say, may I come? I not go. So now it be that.
Thank you.
Another second question when I want to ask, say, you know, when they narrate your first submission, you talk about something like 2017. What happened for 2017?
No, 2017. Now the women come here. That is the woman when Olita come carry and put for here. The woman they stay from Bordeaux. If from Bordeaux travel come here, come the hustle. 2017. Okay. Yes.
I know that my last question. I don't want to discuss whether now Olita bring her because this you see that this woman tell you tomorrow now. If
My
this
brother,
woman
my
talk, say
brother,
no,
see,
wait,
one thing is
wait,
this.
wait,
One thing.
wait, let me
one
finish.
thing-
Now,
David,
question I want to ask
David,
you.
One thing be this.
Esa daughter,
I no say Olita conference.
Esa daughter, hold on. You don't calm down. We there with you. We are neutral. Nobody will come here and intimidate you. Just calm down. If I say, if you want to hear my voice or Okuta voice, you don't relax your mind. Don't be. Me, I know they like all this favoritism. Ask your direct question.
No, Mr. Alogos, I'll not be favoritism. Everything I did neutral.
Okay, ask your question.
I want to make a
Mommy boy, I'm asking you, I don't like all this thing. I'm asking you,
Okay, nota, we get nota, no.
Mr. Elogosa, remember my last question.
Mommy boy, I'm asking you, Benny, I'm asking you,
Remember my last question.
Mama, Professor, wait first. Professor,
Mama boy, I'm asking you,
Professor, wait first now. Professor, wait. I beg, I'm wait first.
Who is about
Professor,
My
you man,
brother,
wait.
my brother, my people.
Next question now.
Professor, when you tell you be man, man don't do like this. They say wait, you wait. You be man now.
One thing, you guys need to know, because number one, I respect people when they here, so that's why I honor the invitation. Number one, are you guys not aware that I don't go lay complaint against Olita for police station? The video I sent out to this brother. If you not say to lay, if you lay complaint against wrong person, you go send a wrong person, you go prison put. I come out for us this morning. I put her for social media, live video. I no editor. I carry my body, go station, go lay complaint. Una get the complaint. I don't send them. The video they air. You guys are still doubting. I be Bamaji school. I did not know what to say. I decided to answer some questions, to honor some people, like somebody like Mama Boy, somebody like Pailosa. Somebody like the person will get the platform. I decide to honor this thing. I decide to talk, because why am I repeating everything? For you to know that I know what I'm saying. That was why I sent. Yeah. I don't go report Olita to police. Why I reach there? Because since una no one stop, and the person when they do the thing, they try to do me harm. They no one stop. Person me they complain, they go say person say they want go, they threaten to report me. These people, did you see say they come out to say na nonsense I they talk?
I don't say no of them come out. Now when we say
when Olita come, if na lie, make Olita arrest me. Make Olita come here, come say, now, una will be supporter. Make Olita contact international lawyer or intercontinental lawyer. Say I lie against her. If you do wrong allegation against person for abroad, now prison. Why are you guys worried? If na lie, they lie. No, this is not just social media bragging. I they talk for social media since I've seen since for the first 3-4 days. Una they think say na lie, they lie. I go to station to report them to police. These are not be Nigerian police. If I'm not sure why I can't go, police go report them. While Sima say Genagena, Iyorabo, a jealousy was only Tanadian. Beganare, Yimiane, everything, even with what women who never be sacked by Yebe, where was the Gigi like her. Was only Tanadian. Only Yorabo can see, you see well at you. Because when the girl come, una hear say I come and say Olita don't carry girl come. No. Not be when they threaten after they don't already lay allegation on my head, say I dey sell land. And when you use it here, say they lay allegation, say I dey sell land. But una believe them. They ask me, say, Madam, are you really sure say you not dey sell land? People that lay case, they were unable to defend it too, and the case they for appeal court. You guys can defend them. May I give you everything? Which person don't say you don't go call Olita come back? Olita say na lie talk. You notice say people never call Olita say so this way. When I there for update platform, 2 people come out there say, "Be grandma Olita no ba yati eba." Then I might tear in. If you say they don't go ask Olita, so this why I say na lie talk. My matter for don't reach Juju people for don't they fly for social media. Why can't you guys think?
Esan daughter, please, Esan daughter, please. Don't allow. Don't allow anybody. Esan daughter, please just calm down. Just calm. What you
drop.
Mama, I'm speaking.
We want our guest. My people are wait.
Esan daughter.
Please,
don't allow anybody here.
Professor, wait
just calm down. Just calm down. You go they ask you questions.
Wow.
You go they answer. Please, just calm down. Thank you. Okuta talk.
Okay. Oya
Yes, come here, Toriba. I hear you. Mama boy, Mama talk. You say you want to ask me a question.
Okuta
Okay.
Before Mama boy.
No, I'm gonna do that thing.
Okay, Mama boy go on. Yeah, boy.
Emi ni me aya conclude doggy me o. Edo ya pitan we o ma no we bono re munye to emi e ga wi emi ja wi we o ma understand. So ma un po neri ma vie boladian. Emi ni eyan loge gwaji ti today. Emi ni Nigeria ya loge gwadoba ti tomorrow. You get not feel what's here. In Nigeria, you know, because here where Edo is powerful. Ana vie boni ya la tiabegeni ana tie. Baba maka mugwa o nugare mu bijugwara nugare mu bierugwa nugare mu tiwa siwa la webo ogwe sokwa nugwage jinya do anwini wina no makeke nugwaga mi agori eyepo. Omatagwe udu na amo emure o omatagwe ameje no emure o ame ni body no emure so kwa emwe ga die bo na do ga ja winning wina no ma heke ga mi igori ejepo. Then I see surprise where a man ogele ovie sese iyajewe ona ga ovie omureba omonoje ovie kiaere bie omu adebeke mi no kon ojo bi e ma gun ajo but ona ga o wi o ma we oja mure ona gbe no win na rigo gian egbo ma very oni to sotedo o sote ni kawo o sote otedo ni no vi oweji ni obe sote enikawo mata mawe na etsaru da weke ne no hama gata bebe evani okoke wa get a point in now. I know here where a message we better meso ne gbegele okongele ewe owie sese senyeki abe mabuni me no ga dueke na ne yakuli ohin yakwa wake wala ni owari wa mi me wa ti da me nwu am okay with it. We understand it, but I know the way we get conny a do. Oye sese wana je adweki ni ologoma wakinedo an ologoma no kan be so bowe ku waru da waru fuema waru fuema ni mwedo gboto no magie ile le do tem gbere gbete mu wedo and egbe mi very oni ke ma koma no we ne e mo ba ese bo tedo ni to ga ki ogun ki ogun we o ki ogun to no fi ogwenya o ki ogun ni kawo ruda egbe kini adona emi no gba yeye amiegwe after we gba many years in ebe buepo ugbe 20 years 25 years 30 years uje mu jadu pigbe agia egba le ni na gwa aga inogwa gwegwa kere Bible Benin City. Why go here to yes say why na digbe agia ki gwa pa why win now? Why win now? God what win now? Why ti your boss said the day? Yet he said the day, yet he said the man. Wagbere ibo eben gwa ya mu dogboto wa ya wagbere ibo. Wa ki ewere gbebo akemi egbe ni ka osobo be kwe dado osobo be kwe di buneni. Osie wa gwa mi Esonia ne na be yan pegi o pe ma ba o wa pe wo kekere do pe hu eyin o ba wa
Ebebo
wa bi gai o ni wa no wa la dia me no de o wa ki o po wa we do so
wa ni support Olita wa ya wa o.
Emi no keke eni kia on do Olita pa me na teme ni meta na mu da era na gbe pa o ma gbo kan emo ikan na wa
Mama eni me gwa kan na no ve ono ve o.
You understand? So you wala gogo imi an you gwa kakabo wa kire we gbe ve na gwa gi mati uye do ile lo ge do wa gi matemu wa gi o he ni be amu gwa wa ge mi ga ku gwa budu dobo no penu gwa obono po penu gwa e lo ye koko a e nwa me be de agbe a e ri ume a nugwana gwe eni ya no gisun we to gwa ma de nwina waga kwenya waga kwegwa hia waga kwegwa tetete e do se ve diagweria e do diagweria no wa kere baba ko no wa una so ni ke ya climb up daughter of abi Esan daughter la gogoje e case na wa agwegbe wa o because ogbalegbe wa lele we 246 came and no receive call no wa gba call be lie. They will even follow you till 10 years.
Exactly, it's true.
So, where was starting where Moja report, Ezewebo, no Moja report. No Moja report. So,
yes,
you have to be very careful in this matter. So, why I was say, Eri only go say, what was say?
Mama, let's say,
voice of which no unmute your mic or you come down. No, you're mute.
Wait, am I sorry?
You don't want to talk. Come down.
Start wait first.
Okay, voice of single mother.
Wait first.
Who be the person you want to talk?
Oliver,
Voice of the.
They talk to them. Y'all
We want to talk now.
If you meet, I'll drop her now. They come
She
in.
don't mute.
When I calm down, one by one, start wait first. I beg. Yeah, maybe don't. If you don't reach her, let me know. Me, I'm mute. I'm mute.
I don't reach us. Oh, yeah, carry on.
No carry this girl. Come over. But I'm if I drop her, I beg.
Wetin me compare because
Madam, your this is not clear. Your voice.
They don't get better network.
I said Esan TV, Esan daughter TV. She has been consistent with this word since 2022. When she dey talk, when this incident happen, she never comot Maggie put salt. Wetin she dey talk right from time. Now she still dey talk till now. Because some people they just dey listen to words, they know if person change math or not. She has been consistent with this word since I did this program since I dey see questions where they ask her. All the questions where they ask her. Now wait till they don't first ask her before when she talk before. Now she still repeats again. I wish maybe she can't lie. It gets anywhere where she for lie for to say you lie for this word, but not be so you talk her before. So now wait till she dey talk since now she still dey repeat now. And another thing again. If na lie she dey lie, I not think say she go make reports for police so because na Europe we dey. If you put false allegation for person, you know you go for it. And another thing again, when she dey talk all these words, the iyo robo, none of them don't talk say na lie. She dey lie. Not be Olita carry that girl come. None of them don't talk say na lie. She dey lie. Say they not talk say she dey sell land. So now what I say make I talk be this one now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Just tell madam. You're about the day to say France with Esan daughter. All of the way they measure their name, they did the same. They did the same France. They not come and say what is this woman they talk now like. But now what we say some Benin useless women. Now they say people. I don't know what I understand. I carry on come. See all of them go hear me. I say Baba don't swear put. All of them will see they pay madam or will see they pay oga. See if I walk and say kule luwa eboni amugbeni or le luwa or logo amo. What's that even now? Because you don't concern me. If you little bit mama go do a shower, but when they take bring out, I say the person they do the actual they pay Olita money. That's not me guys. Remember I don't talk in 2017. You can't bring guests go 2022. So we not get brain. We not get brain.
Okay. Wow. And even me, my brother, no be say Olita carry get come, no be make me shout come out too. Wetin make me shout come and say the person wan use me chop aduro. You know the reason why they talk am. May I tell una one story. You know the Olita girlfriend when they call her Naomi Mina. Me be not say na Olita girlfriend o. Now when the case come out, na all bloggers come they say the girl your friend Olita. So when this case happen, all presenters come they analyze am. Even that woman when they call her Mama Susie, come still they analyze am. When Mommy Susie they analyze the case, he get one girl when he from Nat called Ito Mama Susie program. Not be my program now, Mama Susie. The girl call that time on Facebook, no say Facebook na telephone. He called telephone Mama Susie. Mama Susie carry am. He can't say the woman put her for speaker. Now so the woman they put her for speaker. This girl they call her Linda. He said that she take introduce herself. Say that she be Linda. In with Naomi Mina and the guy stay for the same building, the same house. This leader say place where they call her Nice for France. Now there they do her thing. He said one day Naomi Mina can't call her. That is them all this group. Now there be group when people need all Nigerians.
It's not verse. You know why I like you? Eh? It's not that way me I tell you something. You know why I like you? Forget say they say some words they will be saying you talk. If you they talk, you they measure their name. People when they measure their name, not be the same place on they not get from. I mean, don't they hear what you they talk to saw those words. Why they not come out?
They can't defend it, brother.
Because you are telling the truth. So believe you not come out when they pay me or my opa don't talk something. No, because they want to defend. Not that they pay me. Not concern me. Let me let people that can't do that. You not concern me. Oh, but when they pay me for inside, my opa don't talk matter 2017. Only time got brief guest come 2022. Now they pay me if not like me like how mama can do
it. So when Mama Susie come they do the video, now the girl can confess for Mama Susie platform say, but come they tell Mama Susie.
Just me have blood. Jesus is Lord. Who I mean they take me letter to walk bridge where. You are the vet. I don't want to hear those rubbish. I go block your life. You the mad. They crazy.
So now the girl come they tell Mama Susie say. He called the talking for that woman platform say Naomi he call and say make he come level don't come when he go take get paper for France. Now she can't really carry bag go meet Naomi. He reach there now Naomi Mina this your little girlfriend when can't beat me so. He can't the guy say he can't give her one name now one Benin name. He can't give her the name. Say Naomi Mina can't say make the guy go tell police say now this woman now he they pay for. Now the guy some say he says no. Now when they not if not they listing Linda when you with Naomi Mina they house now not if it happen. Una know this story. So he said Naomi Mina can't give her the name. He can't say no. You know if he give person to police so say now he can't come but now he innocent too. He said Naomi Mina can't tell and say no the name when he give her na Bini na the woman dey the woman not dey France. Linda say with that confidence. Now she can't accept the paper. This girl, check her on TikTok. Her TikTok page is called Queen Linda. Na Bini girl, fair girl. Why I know it? So she say, now so she can't really take the name, go declare for police. Say now the woman now they pay for. They can't write her down. They can't do aduro paper. No knowing that. The woman, the leader say one day police can call her con station. They call her con station now. He said that time he be get 10 years. They use and give her 10 years paper. He said they can't call her con station. They tell her say they don't catch her madam. They can't do the interrogation of a conference. Now she say leader say her mind was like the woman don't from Benin conference. He said when they can't present the woman to her. He said the woman self now a church member. Now the guy that go to say church. Then he can say no, he can tell police say no, not be this one be madam. They say yes, the name when you bring come, now it be this. So now they can he say from there she can confess so say no no say na Naomi Mina na I give her the name. Naomi Mina tell her say na Bini na the person dey. Una wey dey now why make una go find out. I dey give you the girl TikTok page now, Queen Linda. When I go ask her. These people, this is what they are good at. The guy can say from there he can confess for station. No, say no. What did the woman go do? He go renew his driver license. Now the whole long. He say when she can confess, say no. Na Naomi Mina give her the name. He tell her say this person has been in there. He no say na person where na even a church member. Now from there the woman can say confirm and say okay. That period he get problem with Naomi Mina because the woman get problem with Naomi Mina. Now Naomi Mina go carry a shower colleague. They can't use the woman chop at the road say na carry and come. That is why when the woman the girl talk say because of that one they can't collect a paper. He not config get paper again for France. But I saw her video around December last year. He said they don't finally give her paper. Why I know him when I go ask him. This is why this Olita girl issue, when they don't threaten me, say go tell police and I make carry come. I know waiting. That is after that was saga, we call they threatening me. So I remember waiting Linda talk, say Naomi use and do to a Benin woman. That is why I'm even so convinced, say these people don't talk. The reason why police never can catch me because now I with Yoruba Day house. They not get my phone number. I not get their phone number. My great compa with they fight every day. So who can know what it they cook? This is why I am telling you, if I'm talking this case, don't be sentimentals. Use and get sense for yourself. I just want you guys to know what some people are capable of doing. That woman now, if they has, you know, they say they don't use a chopper duro, they don't use and get 10 years. Until the day when God vindicate her. But I did tell you Nana, Queen Linda, now be this thing for Facebook, but people know I'm for Nat as Linda. When I ask anybody for Nat, whether this story, whether not lie or not true. I don't know Nat too. Now the guy by himself, it will do himself. And let me shock you. If you want to see this video, go to Mommy Susie page. Triple Susie. She check video when Mommy Susie do. Either between May 6, May 7, May 8, 2023. The topic is Naomi Dream. Name Mama Susie right put Facebook. I'm not telling you now saying na Linda call me for phone no. Na Susie platform. The topic is Naomi Dream. Why I watch here, now go see the story for Susie page. I give you a go ahead. These people, they be toxic people. These people, I'm not trying to tell you no lenia. When I on my live video here day first today, one woman from Nat also come to talk. That woman come even tell me say, Madam, that girl when you even come confess for Susie platform, now that one even was past Naomi Mina. They say they know that they run for them. They say that they run for them. Now the beauty since 2001, they say I can't do any cool. So this is what they know how to do. That's why just now still tell police say the CCS speaking where they go use fake DNA carry come for Nigeria. See who carry come oh before they will come still talk now say na me carry come Ijerobo and si te do visa for 6 years old pikin take carry come omonoma beer make you can't tell police. So I don't tell police. Since you guys can do this before now come still talk say na me carry small pikin 6 years come. You don't carry the pikin come now use and they chop money for calf. They want calf go calf for do so but I'm so happy that my telephone number they call each other before but then finish that 2023 I might take be ofo. So now be that when they advise me like Mama boy you God bless you ma yeah ma we have my conversation like bata even Bobby tiny well Olita can re can have more money re ekenimana mudia anata telephone na with time but that time amegwe ahwe ni ade madonna you know we might you I not go you understand maybe na that place my be no return at be face to face imagine you understand me no my telephone number you may discuss or if I call my family or I call my friends or any matter understand anything. God bless you.
Okay, I beg. I be want ask you one question.
Ask me, ma.
It get one lady wey a world update bring come out yesterday. He bring the lady picture. And now the person be that. Where they carry come?
I know. Imagine the picture. I don't see the picture.
Oh, me one black girl, real.
The video when Kenimana feeling ubegegbe. Me na video na video na the girl. In fact, where. No, we don't black and black. Now the girl, even when the girl called the waka with he wear black and black, you know, or your face of them cabo clear, anything. Now the girl be that. That doesn't mean they follow me. They fight. Man, I feel we get the girl anything. But I don't go on the page. I will try to go a page to know. Me I know. I mind me.
Okay, but Eko Ben we ya go on for some days now. Yoruba my ladian.
Okay.
My sister we ya know. Why they not come out where Eke Emi ni wu Emo ma be gbe eyan wo ni awu me. You understand? Because this thing is sometimes I'm like God Almighty. Any house when I enter they go drive me. They go make sure you threaten ya. Izoboni adoaza yo monuro ide Facebook bloggers carry am. I don't complain. I don't tire. What did they come do? The hotel when I felt go. They collect my ibu from my hands. Obi gboroga aro ni agba here. Oh, ina me ebo. When I tell say ba Ilala, I can't see talking for Ilala. They say me I can't swear if not true say they really collect my ibu. Then I tell Dr. Lisa, they say, not be everything that they swear. Let me go to the Igbo house. What it make? I can't go there, I can't meet to Igbo. Yeah, where any makana need of the bonnet bog beer. Maybe I have a boji. Proof go full ground, I go to look for a bo. When you say boy, and I say boy, yeah. I can't go hotel. Yeah, you ask Zizo Boyom hotel. When I can't see self-contained garage 450 from there, I'd already ordered for government house. Or my ladian. They call the put izobo. Imanzeji ya sebani sa not yo. In the room jek bera. Sometimes the video they me with the Facebook. Imam will show you. In Orish, they call the landlord for phone, the threatener. One of the video they did this my TikTok when I do last year. Here is a way in that the way video the TikTok, the video they I post. Tell them say give nobody ya call the landlord they go where here mana who pa they go tell police where here will be age make big bag. In the way the video with TikTok you might again not serious more than that. Isaac we not have use a fake account ya post it because the man get restaurant and bar or now me lodge you do even me now be one of the apartments. You know I posted a Facebook where one Nigerian girl no lodge you at a rose where the manage the restaurant that the landlord and the landlady that they arrange me for all the customers when they come there. If you want the screenshot, my sister, I can send it to you. Really, and I say when the landlord can say the landlord wife not do boom and that day I was on TikTok live video. Ona do a so you know where he day real life or women know madam nilare and I do offer the live video at the month of May, April, few days to Easter. When I come off the live video, you know can be my way at the berry. I can't go meet the woman. The woman showed to me what they put for Facebook. People they put bad comments. And I do in a way problem error. Or either go to another tea, you know how my way now I want to go. Or go me, in a way, no, I don't want to swear you suppose business. Yeah, we were for our magbe. I don't want to swear on a business. Let me pack. Last year, in the month of April, I suppose I buy ticket to go see my children for school. I'm not going to travel again because I needed to pack. I pack Easter Monday. I pack you na avie. Ne ve gbe Gladys no we over. So I come back out of there April 21, which is Easter Monday. And in a hotel, I go pay 10 days for 12 days for hotel. Yeah, because I can't go change my ticket, put on for the month of May to go Spain. When I go rent hotel, B&B hotel, I was there. In my video when I do for B&B restaurant bar, when I take a breakfast, they saw the video there, they know where I did. The next day, they carry 3 needle. Yana do 20 oneno nuru number 1. They carry 3 needle, red cloth, red feather, things like that. Yana do vio nuru ba. I was like, Udege. It did bless it that time. I did about 3 days in that hotel. So and when a man as a receptionist na Senegama, everybody was surprised. Where they will not say yes. Now when this woman come here, I can't spend the 10 days. I can't go Spain. When I come from Spain, I reach there. Yeah, my will tell me. And I ba. Let me. If they know where I did, yeah, same you. Yeah, know where I did, yeah, same you. My people, I really don't want to. I don't know how to explain what I've passed through from these people so far. If you now see Yoruba, make una ask Yoruba say what happen with you between you and Esan. Whether you go see something tell you say, I want to know what me do. I don't know. Last time I check, the only thing me we then binani very ma ya mudia. What did the first do when now me na come? I never know say they come with poison. What are they all? When man or me I can't come, me become to say now me no go stop for here. I can't tell now me I say umudiama. But I can't tell Yoruba say you don't fail the bring people. Me don't already get problem with you. This one now me why you do? I is a now me now here. He say you come from Nigeria. I can't say okay. As women now I can't say okay. I can't even help now me still beg. Now you be here. Now me I can't lie to them say okay now me na day holiday. You just come hustle for the holiday. After holiday, we okay. Since this one they work, no problem. It's a sure where already back. You know why worried or winner holiday period or when you work do go. Now so I take cover for now. Mimina. I don't know say na me purposely come beat. So already 4 days. Now Mimina boom a day. He tell me say. The Yoruba said they offended me that time. No, yes, that me forgive you. No, I don't forgive them. I forgive one. We are not sure. Okay, I forgive you now. Why worry now? Easter to do so. Easter period is for forgiveness and charity. They can't come out to. They ask me if they drink stout because me one way start. You know, don't know where I know Nigeria. Now, yes, I get 2 small bottle. Now, me I can't collect one. We can't collect one. Yoruba marry me ma show Yoruba one your my say one your there. So they can't come. The next day, where we are not very sure. Say you forgive us. I forgive you now. Now, me na you me one okpa kekan we ga go me yan agbaga e. Ye wo mi gbo. Esan, you really sure say you forgive us? I say I forgive you now. They can't tell me say okay, for we to be really sure say you forgive us. 2 times now we don't collect drink for your hand. Tomorrow, may we also bring food for you to eat. For we to be really sure say you forgive us. I tell Naomi say no. Yoruba, no. I don't feel collect food for your hand. I don't forgive you now. Meaning you know forgive us. I tell them say come. If don't be say you now ask me for drink, I for not give you a drink. So bringing food for me to eat before you know say I forgive you now. No go feed one. I don't forgive you now. If you like, believe. You not believe like now. I can't know. All my mind say I not get enough for mine. But carry food can't give me for you not to believe. I know feel it. Now the next day they try to kill me. I know say our last conversation was make I carry food come for we to really believe say you forgive us. I say I know they eat. That is our last conversation before the beating. The next day. The next day. Whether they will see something say na what I do. Because I believe that what me do be that. Because I refuse food. Sir,
thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. Now this one I try to tell you since just come because you see I don't wear normal and no normal. I will not if there is anybody, if you are here, you have any question to ask, send request. the host or the moderator will bring
They
you
don't
up.
go fit. Esan
If you have
don't beat
question,
the
she's
black
here
and blue.
now.
Esan
She's here
don't
now.
beat the black and blue. They don't go fit send request because they're very
Send request.
shameful people.
They say she's here now. She's here. Send request. Ask question.
Get question. These people wey dey down here, shey they get question? Now make them come up.
Okay. If anybody, moderator and host, anybody not there for FYP, we're not there for FYP to wait. They say when one come up. Those who want to ask questions, she's here now. She has been here for hours. She's ready to answer any question. They said. Any doubting Thomas, send request. The moderator or the host will bring you up. There is space.
Yeah.
Tori.
Yeah, ume matter na be my talk small. Ume this matter. It don't really go far where. A blogger is so way money, so we post a picture and all that. So imagine him so ye that iba. Imagine this one me okay trap. Let's leave trap aside. Oh, me gwa woni. No da edog bedo obiwedo oji. Yes. Edog bedo obiwedo owaje. I remember the time man egeni no yati eboni. Kopeto egeni ne ege na ya lawa. Ewe maybe enene ge lawa ne akedo tiebo. Ati ebone okedo lawa. So for me, a panel, I manage anybody. If you know where Ula do, better stay comment section. Pretend you're pretend there. I prefer it than where Omai do la do who. They ask one kind of negative question. I didn't know. It's true because Emiga Sunu. Okay, it's so that way. That's a maladian. Emeti ladian. Emeti because Emiga Sunune. Or where okbene 100 years. This is called media. All the year repeat itself years to years, every year. Also, I repeat it. So, onona, ekameti ladian. Ekameti, okay, according to her now, we are reported to police. And in France, Spain, Italy, and a very strong place for all this kind of thing. Iyama like, I walk back here, as in that, they really hate them. But it's so after when I lie, it's so when I choke, na that person is here. I met you do not na just different to call the talk. Emma, this one is not all about trap. I'm not there for trap level. Let's leave trap out of this. No. Emina uneru, awa uneru. Let's leave trap out of this. Let's leave age out of this. Oh, this one not your joint age at all. So if you know say you want to ask question, if you know say for year, we cannot any person will be say you call come or call they say maybe. Even the sky can wear him. Or when you ask one now make him sweet sky talk on my camera. I don't talk my own. There are some matters that will come to my panel here. I will tell you stop it. I get where. Because emoba atana. Emoba nedo atana. There are some matters we go come my table. Be you anything. I'll tell you stop that. Because why? There's no difference. There's no difference between Eminem Wehantani and this one. I will tell you stop it. That's sky for you. I will tell you stop because me, I get one kind of bad character. Oh my God, with me, I go the looker. Yeah, then one day I will tell you stop that because this one there's no difference. Even this matter, many bloggers don't carry on. I mean, one time when I will not there, it don't go far. People carry on, people don't even send up for me. So I don't want year round or akpane. One person call they say. If you like maybe comment session, I not go like her. So now they talk rich. I just say talk.
Okay.
Just say that Osas wait first. Scandal say na because say na Esan. That's why I call it talk
No,
like this.
I
Wait
know.
first now, make I talk. They say na because say na Esan. Now make I call it pull life for Benin person here. What day Oviedo or do Zena now? Or back no Olita. Your zemo you way now. Your balance zemo you way. But I never see any fucking person for here. Even not be today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. We are going to talk about tribal for this place. Why so what?
I beg any person where they send request, if you know, so you want to ask question, and now you take come up.
Oh, I beg my talk one word before I go come down so that another person go enter. Brother
Okay.
Okuta,
Look,
you say make them not come say na Esan one or two. Wait till let me wait I want to talk be say this matter na now they go viral for TikTok. Esan daughter TV, when this incident happen na for Facebook, they for do am. For Facebook that year. Nobody talk put. Victor do video one, I believe 1 or 2 video. Now Victor do. He not do video again, not talk put again. All the Edo bloggers, all of them see the video. He get one Edo blogger and we post the video once. He not come post them again. They not talk put for the video. That was like me, I not be Edo. I not be Edo, but me, I know say Oba of Benin don't cause put for this trafficking of a thing. So I was even surprised, like Olita, me, I know Olita very well because now musician. I was like a musician for Benin, go still carry girl come Europe after in King don't stop her. I was like, well, if na normal thing when they do for Benin, who am I to talk? Who am I to question? So I like as the matter come up again. Because you see this life, no matter how you cover truth, definitely the truth must go open on a very good day. No matter how, even though they go hustle, they not go hustle, everybody na adults. When you're an adult, nobody go tell you what you go use your body to do. Now you go make decision of yourself. Now even Europe we did, thank God, from 18 years or above, nobody can decide for you. You understand? So I like as this matter come up again for TikTok so that they go look into it. And I believe Esan daughter 1,000%. Why me says it don't say when me believe I not be even today because I don't they follow this matter. She, as I talked before, she has been consistent with it. She never miss her word. What is she they talk right from time? Now she still they talk for years so. And another thing, what I want to make people still look in, make them forget Benin and Esan get problem. No, truth is bitter. Make them fight the truth, no matter who the truth they involved with. If she dey lie, I not think say she go police, go make report. I not think that one. Because I cannot go to say see who bring person come. We know as trafficking be for Europe. You cannot talk about it when you know say yes you dey lie. Everybody know everybody be out there for Europe. We know how it be. If they ever put allegation for some people, if they not fit defend themselves, that they go in for it. Go talk of say person when you they talk about it, their life. And another thing again, all these people they never thought say na lie yo, not be Olita break this girl. Now we commenters, now we the defender. They never thought say na lie yo. They not say she they sell land for them. Now we commenters, now we the defender. So I just want to make una we be Edo. Like I said, I'm not an Edo. Una we be Edo. Make una judge this matter very well, truth and fair. Because outsiders, there's still the look una. Not be una the look una self. Outsiders,
they make a bring another person here.
Make una judge this matter with truth. Thank you.
Because you talk more than maybe this one talk for the talk. I beg. Mama, God go bless you for that word we talk. Say, outside that they look us true. You are right. Now what I let some of our people understand, because you will not respect your own. Tell me, you got to like example now. You will be say you be Agbo person or you be Igbo person. You not respect your ego. You can't expect me. Maybe believe man can't respect your ego. The question they ask you. You can't expect me. Believe person. No. Can't respect your ego. See, when they support these people, when they support Olita, most of una will be say una dey this place. And they look una. After today, tomorrow day, I get where they wait for una. Most of una what don't talk una come here say, you must say the was in Wow. Was about Edo binera do. It be now Paredo. You understand me so? Because Edo people, Edo go fight for himself. You must say, no boy, my no send any of now. But see, time when I tell stand for the Edo one, I just want to say, you say put now. Where I la wogwa. No be here. After today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, they wait for now. If I bother fear Kululuwa, I better read talk. Thank you.
Yes, una good afternoon. My sister, Esan daughter, first of all, I will greet you specially. Why? Because since when you don't begin to talk, I don't listen to you, and I even go your page, go look videos when you do. There is no difference from what you are saying here on live, which means you are truthful.
Thank you, sir.
My sister, you see that truth when they your mouth, let them deal with you, they go. If Percy, you know thief Percy, you know keep Percy, that truth you dey talk am, not when anybody will do when go affect you. If you dey work everything the true stone, you know that stone will reach you.
Thank you, sir.
One thing that I will still advise, first of all, may I leave the advice first. The question when I want to ask, may not be like say person not ask this question now I want to ask. Already me myself I know the truth because why they ask this thing because now here this thing they here now.
Yeah.
Wetin make our people not come out now, come ask why this thing be like this? AO or motor as a Benin indigene when know the rules when they since 2018 where they don't swear put for this thing. Now they still bring person come say make come dey work bring money. This will not be seen anyhow, maybe just one random human being, a musician when they know for Benin too. So why our people don't come out, come ask why this thing be like this? But now you don't complain since you don't go from it or platform complain. They don't let that one talk according to what you talk. Fine. As it be like that, me personally, I not get platform when I will take do anything, but I will make sure where my mouth will feel rich, I will carry and reach there. Because this thing needs to reach certain places when they say they need to call these people to order. This thing is not right. It's not right. We the Benins, now we they fight ourselves. Now we they betray ourselves. Which means we not respect our Oba. Wa akedolo dei, wa akedolo yi. You cannot say you be a daze when you not repair your house. Which a daze you be? I can remember last time when Benin with it boss the girl with get bass boss. And I saw they talk about this one. Okay, fine. Ask him you say go wa. But now you don't reach one where we ourselves will take drag this thing to ourselves. Now it's okay, more repair this thing by ourselves. I never see one person will come out now. Well, my sister, be careful. You know why? Wait till you never see, or wait you know they see. More are still on the way coming because as you do all the complaints now, so that they put the zobo, do this one, do that one. Be careful. Not be everywhere when you reach you go the chop. Not be everywhere you reach you go the drink. Mind the steps you dropped.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because I know this truth today your mouth. Be careful. But one thing I will still advise you too, because I just drop this word, make I come down. You said, may you try this work, leave on.
Yes, sir.
Find out that they do. Leave on. Leave this
Yes,
work.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because if who not they wood, ant not they enter.
Thank you very much, sir.
To add to Terry, thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir.
For the last comment.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Also, what talk?
Stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I bet I bet me I contact. Drop me. Yeah.
Also, they
Okay.
talk.
No, Namio Sas.
Okay. Osas, oh, talk. Osas, do your own. Talk your own.
Yeah. My sister want to just ask you a question. Were you the one that was in a Marathon 77? This is a Marathon platform that they did a video call that they asked you to pay a certain amount of money some weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Sir?
Were you the one on the media on live that they did a video call that they asked you to pay some certain amount of money on a Marathon 77, a Marathon Enoji 77, yeah?
Me no. I dey see no give video. I never climb up. No, not be.
Okay.
That's all. Is that your question?
That's my question.
Okay, so I'll bring another person. Prince.
Okay,
Yeah.
me?
Yeah.
Okay, on a good after. I mean a good evening now.
Hello, what's up?
I beg, leave this place. Leave this one for us. No, I do. I beg. The way they do, I don't like. Cannot vex. Leave her for us. Do I move finish? I beg.
Make me stop.
I beg. I beg.
You see,
Hello, what's up? Can you hear zero?
that's how I'm about quickly talk before, so that I will mute. Then when I
So go on. You mute. That's what I mute.
Please talk. Don't worry. You are our guest.
Okay.
You are our guest. You can speak, sir. Speak.
It's okay, my brother. Yeah, and good evening. Although I not really follow the matter right from the one, but with a little while they see our post and all that. And the question I just want to ask, curiosity make me ask, Madam, is it because then I can't get issue with the people and I make you talk, or you have been speaking since when Olita bring that girl on? That is number one question I want to ask you. Are you since Oba made this pronunciation about 2018, 2018 there about. And according to he said the man bring somebody come about 3 years ago. So that 3 years ago, why you don't come outside? I consider say what did they say about not me they do? Is it because I can't get issue now? You come come talk about it now, or you have been speaking against it since that when the matter break on? That is number one question I want to ask.
Okay, thank you very much. May I answer that one first? And why I not take that issue as personal? I be Esan, I no be Bini. Number one. So the reason why when you say that I talk and come out, the time when that girl did there, she came November. This issue happened May. You can see it almost 6 months. Why didn't I come out all those before that 6 months? Come to say Olita don't bring person come on. No, not be that one. The reason why I shout come out, say now they try to put allegation for my head. Say I dey sell land, number one. And number two, the girl they threaten me say, I dey do that allegation for hand. They threaten me say, he go tell police say na me bring her come. Not that he just talk and that's 3 years and leave it. She continue consistency. Last year, if to say that video, condemn, delete. Now they go report the video, so I for play the video where that girl for talking say when would that video mana binani mana feel me gigbe it reach up to 5 different video like that last year. Like that video when I see for update video, now that very day that girl still talking last year say he go tell police where Momuyere. That is the only one we talk for video. Not to that was why I go meet visitor. Say, see, the EMA gave it up 1 year. You understand? And this thing now, okay, let's say since I don't complain my brother, I believe the for toss and I lie you, my brother, my sister my sister not to say go give her to police. I'm so convinced, say maybe they don't even talk her. Also, as if you not consign us the way they do me for Ayilala. So my brother, I don't want my explanation to be too long. Not be because no. Now, I believe now you understand.
Okay. Esan making. I will always say about to making partly about to partner hodwa. I want to I want to kindly give you this advice as a sister, and I'll be going through your profile. The partner here know me very well. Logos know me very well. So even name I think let me just quickly say this. Whatever him, every time the woman I believe and because of way what's where be vary. So understand it. So I want to advise you if you are saying the truth now, but based on say people hate based on what you are doing, the one don't want to stand for you. So my own word about now got anyway I want to stand. Just I beg you.
For that one, my brother, may I just give an answer to that? What I'm doing, I don't really think it have anything to do with
yes,
you know, people. The case is already with the authorities. Yes, I reported it to the police.
People judge you based on so
it is the problem. Last time I checked, I'm not the only one doing it.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
That is number one. And if they keep saying that it is a lie, all this it is a lie, you lie. Now make me go station today.
Okay.
So we are here in the Western world. I posted it on my page. Even when I did police station today, I was on live video. When they reach my turn, they call my name. That was when I off the live video. So they're saying it's a lie. It's not a lie. It is their business.
Let me speak to Elogos. Elogos, Baba. Or I talk about this issue now. Anybody when I first say we are all from Edo State and we are all one. Nobody that we don't want to encourage anybody to go to prison. I think we have to call everybody in under every good man. I mean, every Edo-minded person should call themselves together. Let's put an end to this issue, so that this thing will not escalate to any. We don't say anything human trafficking in Nigeria in this Europe now is a serious offense. So men are tried as much as possible. Let's put sentiment aside. Let's put hate aside. Let's try as much as possible to resolve this issue so that nobody will be a victim tomorrow. So that's what I want to say. Let me just mute for now.
I feel ask question. I mean, now reach my turn.
Ask.
Okay, where's it be? Yes, I beg no, but busy for one. If I want to talk like that, I'm not to distract. I bet no verse. I bet even that time when this matter take come at that time for where Frank carry that issue. Frank must carry that issue. If you remember, say I call for that call. When I call finish, when I drop, another person call. We say now, this man I carry and come. Where if you remember that day where I thought say that time I very not the even Frank were with if you they know they talk. But I was so surprised. Say if you clap up. Then he called the
God bless you.
Wait, I come. I want to remember you something. I want to remember you something. You understand? I want to remember you something. They know they talk. When that matter happen, now if you take call for Francomo's platform that day, then you remember when somebody calls what they call it Francomo's and say well, you know, say you are the very you know they talk. Why you come be say where this matter come? Now you are very you when I call they talk this issue.
They can't settle because you know why? I'm not surprised.
I want to tell you what it happen because you know say when that time when the thing happen, me I not know what it happen. Now last now I continue. But you remember say somebody call say now back my Olita now carry I come on so you get up for grace. Hey the girl
when me I was the person. Now me talk say now I back my Olita. Now me call when then Victor come they ask me say which of the girl now the girl when they dance for long I can say I don't know but I know say now Olita carry the girl come. Now they come person call they call Victor for line. Before I be there, okay, do me a bad job. That's why the truth not come out.
Yeah, no, I'm the call. I want to try and make Okuta make them understand something. You understand? I want flash. You said that me if you talk and so that make them understand. Yeah. Now, when you thought that when you come to the issue finish that day, then when them here you come climb up, from come they confused. on that issue. You know, coffee talk go because if you don't climb up that day. Now you know what it call happen when that thing happen that day. So you know, say like if you these people what they call only tap person, so you no get mad to go donisha you. Now if you know, so we will be presented with a let to bring person down. Like we want, like you know, go follow me drag this place again. We go like shocking you.
And sister, I say, do you know that if you from Germany go Bini, go they ask whether I carry person come? They can't say no. They go ask my brother wife. My brother wife now he come bring this story for them. Say, you know, when you come from Nigeria, he talking for a platform. Say he go ask question about me. To the extent they go tell her, the time when madam carry me come, because now madam carry me come Europe. I come out from Nigeria in 1999. I come enter Europe August ending 2000. They can't deport me, go Nigeria 2001. Before Maoibo carry me come 2003. You understand me? These people, hey, sister, I say, you know here I say that they tell Victor that they say I run from Madam hand. Say now Madam hand for run conference. My people now
ask question, baby. When they take the shop more, not they ask question much. Now maybe not call the fear they ask again.
Okay, now that very day now. You know, so that very day.
Hold on. I say all this way they doing. Not they lose guard person for you. Not they like that word.
I not lose guard.
I say let me talk. That statement you made now.
Not let us ask questions.
Madam, hold on. That word you made now is very, very bad. Nobody is telling you not to ask questions. Ask questions that will not provoke her. Don't do that.
You know what
Madam, please let me speak it. Not gonna lose guard person for you. Let me wait about.
Now you the lose guard people for you, not be.
Madam, stop it.
No,
you be too much. I know they like her. You be two-faced.
Professor, Professor, sometimes we no matter. I beg, wait. I beg, say wait first. I beg. Professor, sometimes women, no.
No. I don't like this kind of thing. Be straightforward. Don't be here.
Because I don't want me to ask question because last if Esan daughter don't come down, he get what make me want to ask you because if I ask you now maybe the thing now the court doesn't because of me Esan daughter now make her come down. So that is the reason why I don't want to go for yourself. That's why I just ask my question straight to her. You understand? So me and you understand? So Esan daughter. I beg. I know why they ask this question because
I don't know drop you. I don't say I don't know how many more drop on you.
You know the story now.
What moderator man Oh, like you want me moderator man.
Mama problem why worry for that one.
Sister, say
question.
You know, no vessel because you know why I've not put body for that issue.
I say, ask your question. Don't put body or no question. Ask your question.
Just ask your question.
Put body for that 3 years ago. Now they talk about now. Mona, we know what is the apple. I want just you just the matter na.
Why you not talk? Why you not talk what is the apple since then? When you know what is the apple? Why you not talk and come out?
Maybe what are the answer because you're not cover you're not for.
Yeah,
we're not.
And then they ask her so because that's the way they throw away me. I'm not gonna wait till the apple. Since that I'm not gonna wait till apple. Now you know they talk her. You understand? That make me not call the blame her again. Before I be the blamer, and now I don't listen to your part of the story. I not go blame her, but I need to know how the TT happened 3 years ago. Why the matter died just like that?
I say, please let me speak. You see this platform, eh? You see this platform, eh? We not they do go here, go there. If you watch me, eh? I don't. As you see me so, eh? If you see me say I they vibrate, I they hate lies. If you wrong me, tell me sorry. That will calm me. If you watch this matter, if na allow, say make play, make it record since yesterday until now. Everything where everybody they talk, those were they consistent with they know. For the first time, I never see who they zuzu, they vibrate, they shout the way they shout since yesterday till now. You think we are joking here? You see what who they use to talk, for this platform. Anytime I did for this platform, those people will be say they will not ask question. Will not ask question. If they talk for year for what I talk for this platform again. Now, so what I go use the heart to do for year.
Brother, what you
do? Madam, let me talk.
Wait.
Let me talk. You see what they do for year? Benin people from Edo South. Me not gonna form Edo South, Edo Central here. Why form Edo South, Edo Central here? Anybody will stand for waiting over talk. Now be Oyoba.
Exactly.
Not be by Edo South, not be by Edo Central. Emi no bata, say I'm never do. I am so disappointed that some persons when me trust before for this platform that they come here, they say they be from Benin.
They be abubu yeah.
They be want the fair matter. See, man, I want to mention names. You see, that way, today, I don't believe say you go fit do like that. You see, Tresha Ikato, I don't believe say you fit do like that today. Atemi Benin, do they travel? They go Esan, where they from Malaysia. That is what they call diversion. I'm too intelligent, Diversion. Don't divert the topic. The subject matter is the Oba of Benin made a pronouncement that we should stop human trafficking. That is the topic.
I'm not happy this woman. If you are talking about,
Wait.
Now me they talk when you match my talk. Now,
No.
Quiet. You don't even suppose they talk for this matter again.
No.
Because myself, I watched you since yesterday.
I beg,
wait.
this panel. Don't
what I talk yesterday, Oga? Shut up. What I talk? Can you say everybody there yesterday?
You not two-faced. You not
I know.
No, this panel is not like that.
I know this matter. I know this matter. Nobody feel divide this issue. Nobody. You know, so they only talk. I know when matter don't go, girl won't forget the truth. What when buy book correct, na lie. Every week I'll drop and later if it come up. That's how me so we must know the how Olita Agbapa know Olita they carry get go do Ashawo go for Euro 2022. Now that area me get interest. Not all those what they do now, but me I don't say all those what they talk. The area where me they talk. The area where Agbapa know Olita carry guests come 2022. Nobody should cover that area. Now that area one more talk. Not all those what they talk to.
I want talk for the area and I get
that area. That one not all those way. I do Gaga for 3 years. I mean, also wait first. Not all those way I talk say I do Gaga for. I don't my business. Don't want my Oba talk. Go Agbapa Olita. You can't disagree with my Oba. Now that area me dey. Not if I like use the mama do Ashawo. You not concern me. You understand me? So that area Agbapa Olita matter. Now I'm gonna talk. Muna forget all those that do Gaga for 10 years, 3 years. That is not my fucking business. Wọ́n sáré mẹ́ náà ọgọ́ àgbàpá ló lè tàn ọ̀rọ̀ ni ìwà bá tẹ́ mi ọmọ gé ọmọ bá ṣe ọ́ ní mẹ́wọ́n máa gbọ́n àjì àìdí wà tán ní máa kárin wọ́n wẹ́ sí.
See, hello, my brothers and sisters. I want to just give a submission. There is no need beating back and front. I want to use English so that I will be versatilely understood by everybody. That Olita, whatever you call himself, you understand, by the special grace of God, I don't know, I can't travel this week due to the nature of my job. By unfailingly, on the 16th of this month, March, I'm going to Benin. I want to go and meet the Ode de Niyomo. The Ode de Niyomo of Osokwekan. Then that Olita or whatever, let him be invited. Have a who they watch for him. That makes him to have that mind when our father has given the order that human trafficking should be stopped in our state, and he still has that guts, that detrimentary to still bring a lady to Europe. Whether or true or not of us, I'm not here to conclude yet till I get home. And thank you very much.
Now, if you continue now.
No, you're fair way first. See, if you want to, Sister Esan, but just ask your question, go straight. Where you talk. Yeah?
I don't hear you.
Where you talk, yeah?
There you go. My sister, that Olita issue, so where you carry get call where you come they talk about so where a mother call they talk for your platform so do you know say the girl wey Olita carry come, you still did that platform that day, you still did. Apart from you wey you talk say Olita bring girl come, another girl still climb up take her say na Olita carry her come, wey omo the cut us make everybody wait make they ask her question, if you can remember.
Okay, another person come up. Me no say when people come they call, they come they insult me. At the talk, they know Victor no one believe me now. I can't come down. Now vaccination take come down. I know.
Okay.
Also another person.
You know why the matter not move forward? They get past there.
No.
Okay, because if you now they say this issue.
I make us.
Now make Olita matter there because Olita with them Eviero, they are one. That make they throw away me for their. We know see if they want to do live video, they go gather first top before they go come out for live video. You understand? You don't understand me so? Now if you na me they tell you say if you say more the shot, we not go know the under. Now if you now they want no Olita issue die. That's why it can't get close. That moment where for compose they talk about Olita, now that time you with the can't they settle. They can't they tight. They if you with they can't settle Frank. You understand? That is the reason because the next day when somebody come in, they tell me say now Olita carry her come because he don't see her because now year much now for come know everything will come up during that time because I was in the dark.
My sister say you know say day first today when update yeah when he invite me for his platform if you still go there go the bully for there they shout for there.
Okay. Let them put it happen. We shout for you. We not go see the head. Now is our target.
Now they want to do for update platform.
What is matter? More than come out because it's away me.
I say who they shout for you? I say come. Who they shout for you? Who they shout?
No, I say you they shout for me because me not still understand.
I say who they shout for you? Who they shout for you? Who they shout for you? Who they shout?
Nobody shout. Now you they shout say a man ask straight question.
Madam. I got
that one I beg wait that's all wahala God. Forget this day. I say wait first.
I say let me talk.
I say wait first. I say calm down. According to comment section, now they say you know a lot of this matter more than the Esan daughter. A lot of this matter what they talk about. So
yes,
they say you
yes,
know.
I know.
Why you not gonna talk and you know? Why you not talk to yesterday? What would they hear? You know.
I know, but you know how many times I just ask questions. If I ask questions, I drop like this. How much they explain how it happen? When you ask me question, when I say make I talk boom, I go talk how it happen. See as the question when I ask me, see as it happen before that comment when I ask me, I go talk. But you not ask me because I know in the channel. Look your carry comment up.
Sister, I say sorry. Sister. Even the time by 6 o'clock I'll leave us, which is 11 minutes from now.
Yeah, no, you don't try, sis. No, you don't try. Who get question? Let's say wait first. I thought you see no more. You mute. You don't get it. You don't even need to ask questions because now people will ask you. After you see no more than even Esan daughter. After she don't go appointment, now you now go call that big panel. People call they ask you, what will you do?
No, what is that daughter they talk so? Some of fifth side I don't know.
The one you know, you tell her wait first. The one you know, you go tell her mute your side. You understand me so? After she don't go, you come there. The one you see know, you still tell her about the Olita matter so. Maybe there's no need for you to ask Esan daughter question. If people they ask her, you they pick for them. The one you know say you want pick, go pick them. You are beg. John King, I beg ask your question. Thank you.
Hey, my bros, waiting me, I want to talk the same, man. Now God go bless you, I want to say stand for the truth. And now pray, I want to pray for the sister, because waiting in the face for this Europe, nobody will go allow his sister face that kind of thing, or no papa will go allow his daughter face that kind of thing. And now God go continue to the fight for her, they go, wait you don't know, no go kill you. Anybody where they pull life for your own, anybody where they hear talk for back, where they say they not go lie here for the person mad. Now Ogun go they scatter them, they not go see tomorrow. Because this social media now, it don't too much. Because they go you hear something for one side, they not go ask question where. They go you carry the matter. Some people say we don't even know the person where the thing happen to. Now then go carry am for head pass. Sister, na God go bless you for wetin you come and so come explain, abeg. Because me, I just dey down. I don dey watch this thing, I don't even watch am for YouTube. This land of selling matter, I don't even watch am for YouTube.
God bless you.
Not knowing that all these things na just forging. Okay,
Yes,
see now, see wetin
sometimes
they wan even go forge for another person here wey no know anything. You wan go
Osas,
use am
abeg,
chop
fill your space,
aduro.
Osas, fill
Person
your
like
space.
you, person like you, how you just get that kind mind say you wan go use person chop aduro?
Okay, thank you.
It's too much now. This kind of evil wey they do for this Europe, if Olita, if e be say Olita retry that thing, fuck Olita, e no go better for her. If for use his daughter, if for use his daughter do that kind of thing, if for carry his daughter come do that thing for this Europe, because if they don dey say star, people no wan hear the other person wey no be star again, because no be star, they no wan hear am. The other one na be star, na him they wan hear. Foolish people, having an imere gboto. Now na take you na say finish so because no understanding, nobody wan understand each other. Everybody just follow one road. Brrr. They be like people wey be say man, they just I no even know. Imagine wetin person don pass through for Europe. Imagine. Anybody wey dey here, anybody wey dey here, he go fit survive that kind thing. Anybody wey dey here go survive that kind thing.
Today now,
Una still carry go for
elder
other platform dey talk rubbish. Una we no wey no know anything about the matter. Na dey talk rubbish pass. Una we no know Esan daughter. Na dey talk rubbish pass. Mona come out now, Mona come talk now. They no see anybody. All of them firm. If not be these two, my brother, wey come out as a man. See some men sef wey don chop money for some platform. They be carry this matter. They chop money finish. They keep the matter one side. These two men, I don dey watch them since yesterday. Mostly this man, I don dey watch them since yesterday. I no even come up of any platform, but I just dey down dey watch everybody. Which kind life we dey live? Just to kill one another? Now una wan complete tribalism. Who's tribalism? Who tell you say Esan and Benin no be one?
We be one who not die may go die. Esan and Benin, we are one people. You understand me? So for this matter, we are one.
My own house opposite now. Esan be that opposite me. My own father's house, Esan be that opposite them. So how come? There are some bad Esans, there are some bad Benin. It's everywhere. Everywhere. See wetin this woman you pass through, only this woman. Everybody you got go up.
My brother, na the one when I see talk, now I talk so. The one when I not talk, it be like say na even plenty people. Not be
the woman, all of una wey you dey gang God dey for this woman, he pass all of una.
All of them,
all of una stupid una, stupid join only time wey carry the girl come. Idiot. When say Oba cause put, he can still carry that girl come this Europe. E no go better for her. That cost na e house go land. They go still use the pikin, e daughter do that kind of thing wey use another person daughter do. Because I don dey hear that kind of thing. If they come this Europe as a musician, they go carry girl follow body say e wan come down. If e reach here, they go drop am. Na the one wey dey cash, na dey talk. This one now they cash am, nobody wan talk again. Everybody dey say na star. Who's fucking star? Wey take dey hide for inside dirty? Now our government take corrupt reach like this. See wetin old lady sister pass through. Na only this man now I don see say man, he don dey fight since yesterday. I just dey under, I just dey watch. Even since yesterday night, I dey watch since around 1.
I say
this one wey be 2 face now come here now come dey talk on that thing. If say if you go let me slap your face, I for slap your face.
Why are you talk? You know why they talk say they comot me?
No be this
I was not they remove me, they go comot me, they go dey do their thing on their own. I don't know anything. This woman matter for the year everything.
Alpha, wait first. Abemona, wait. Mama now talk. Thank you.
Okay.
You say na you be the hero, but
wait now. Wait now.
You even be the
Jockey la owo mudia.
Mrs. Ese, my sister. When we no know the other day, our professor, Mr. Elogosa and Okuta, we be agree maro, but me open me understand about you.
You know all these things. We do azolona, we do anona. Nake no the other. You did not give us any full details.
Baby star, Abema after you for that question.
Modiane, wait now.
Nah, no go forget.
Wait, may you wait. No, you like to the sport person, please. You like her too much. Since yesterday, we have been battling for this issue. You know a lot of things which you claim that you know. You say you don't know anything, but even if before anybody go talk, you go say, "Hey, Mona, let me talk. I know this one. I know that one." Why don't you just say everything yesterday? We will know where we stand for. But the way you are doing all those things now, me I don't know the side where you there for inside. May you stay for one place, my sister. May we snap you picture where it go fit you. May we for glass and wear, because we have been in this issue since yesterday. At least I think it was about to level yesterday that we say good night to each other. What are we saying? You first tell us, you first carry us go where a voice audio. We walk out from there, we not see her. You say you know this, you talk about your godfather, how things stay happen. But you never really give us the details on which you say you know everything. Why now? Why are you not turning us like a
I'm not tone. Now understand me. I'm not tone. Now you know.
Now you not make us understand. You they turn us like silly fan or standing fan. Me, I don't like that. You have been playing with our
things. They don't give us more money though. You're the life follow up black.
No, be so. Please, can I say something?
They give us more money.
Please.
Can I say something, please?
Mute now, mute. Person go first.
You say something about that. Wait first. Wait. Madam, mute yourself first. Wait. Later, we'll come to essay. Yes, I miss so. I beg, Mo, your Esan daughter get where she they go. Esan daughter get what I want to tell you. Tomorrow, if you see day free, we see there, because I don't say we know if you take all your time today. If you day free tomorrow, you have for like me you, cause this matter, until we see the end, and you go, I want me you deal with us. I mean, not go lead this matter. Me, I not go lead this matter.
Problem no dey.
You feel me so?
Go alert me now. Send me the notification.
I will share for you. If it's possible to send your number to us, I don't know if it's possible. But I want me you deal with us for this matter. Until this matter, we'll see the end.
This sister, when he get the platform, so Becky,
Baby Sky.
I'll see it through her notification. And they get one thing when I want also talk to my people. You know, say everywhere now they say they carry my children. You understand me? So this case now that was the reason why I did a lot of people come out 3 years ago. They are still saying it. They will still be after they can't go there, go beg, go. They beg. The owner of Ayilala can say whether they beg. I say I no go agree. Say me they come talking for Facebook. They tell me say not me. Fine, we can't forget. When they come still they talking. When the matter go Franvito place last year, if you talking for Franvito place, see the fit to repeat am for Franvito place, and the way they talking for Facebook, say when they carry my children, me call her, come beg her, say make she cover up for me, make I not let people know. You see, why me dey vex sometimes? When they first talk that time, say 2023 May, say they carry their children not be my own. Everybody beat me for social media, which I know say na normal thing. Before I can go give them Ayilala paper, why I not just bring my children come at that time? Because my children they school now every 3 months now I think they go Spain. This month I dey Spain now to go. I was there Spain by God's grace to go carry my children for holiday because on the 28th every parent go carry their children. Me also I will go carry my children. So when I come carry my children for Spain, June that time, I not come see presenter. Me and my children do video. First week, second week, third week. They not talk. Now I can start with the saga all of them. Who can still call me inside her say, oh yes, sound is say, Susie. Mommy Susie can still call me inside her say, make her forget. Now I can still forget. No, not be inside herself. I was on a live video. I can't curse all of them. Now the woman can say, make her forget. Now I can forget. When December, I went back to Spain. 2024, Easter, I went back to Spain. 2024, summer, I go to Spain. 2024, December, I go to Spain. Last year, I go Spain. They are still saying it now. If you still go Victor platform, go talk and say they carry her womb. When I give a donning, I give me a she say they carry her womb, not be my children. Say they can't talk for Victor platform. Now Victor's okay. They don't hear this case. They talk for Victor platform. They want to carry their children for France. Now me can carry around go Spain. Now if France can't call Spain, say make una just hold them for there. They talk and finish last year. After I still went to Spain to pick my children for school, me and my children will spend holiday. Nobody talk. Now they are still escalating it. Beri Edo picking my brother. You still they talk and just now. My brother, Edo picking, you be my friend. You they see all my video. When I tell you, me and my children tell they go holiday, he did this my page. You see, I to mommy and my brother. But you are still shouting on your page, say they carry my children. From Victor, you still they talk now for your page. From Victor, I see video when you post, when you do yesterday, say they carry my children. And from Victor, you went where okay, no. What am I trying to say? All of una when they blog and they say go say they carry una children, not be mine. If I can't go Spain this month ending, I go carry my children for school. Una see me see my children. What will you guys do? Them not any. I they live for France. My children, my 3 children, their father live with me here in France. Why France government not collect children? When it come be saying in Spain, they tell you who. Sometimes I will like how our people take the reason. I really don't understand. What am I trying to say? No, people should stop dragging me for nothing sake. People will come report me to now. When these people come meet Becky that time, tell Becky say they carry my children. Everybody they beat me. Now me can't even open the secret say how children when government want carry for France, he carried they go Benin since 2012. 2012 to 2023 it can't be 11 years. Or to can't wait for Facebook. People come the answer and say, Yoruba, is it true? Say you say this woman when born children for France, the quality children for France. Is it true? Say your own children they been for more than 11 years? She said yes. Now last year he can't carry them come, but after children don't spend 13 years. He carried them come last year now, my people. She still they lock them for Esan house, they go Olusho Road. Not be me now. They came to turn their story to my own. Use their story, look my say na me talk get them. When people come they beat me, now I can't even send a waiting call. I can't tell them. Say make una ask and say wait children. She can't accept say her children really dey Benin. Person will leave his children for Benin for 13 years. He can't they talk about my own.
Okay, Esan daughter, no verse. Chill, ask your question. Maybe before she come on. Thank you.
Una well done. Wetin me wan even talk for here be say, you see this, you know say normally, Oba of Benin don cause for this for trafficking, and then another person again, people still they do trafficking. So una wey be there those is up to una. If una Oba cause go stand or e no go stand, is up to una. I dey see some responsible people when dey this platform, because most of the Edos they no wan even talk go the trafficking matter. Wetin they talk be say Ashawo enter house, Ashawo enter house, Ashawo enter house. But the one wey dey important wey they supposed to look into, they not they look into it. So now wetin I just dey view everybody since they watch everybody comments and they reserve my own. So is left for now wey be the Edos. You know say for our place that they make parable say you when you get house, if you call your house dirty, who they waka they pass for road go throw dirty for inside the house. So it is
question you want ask be na different you dey talk now. Ask question for the matter wey dey ground. So present matter.
Now the present matter and I bring wetin me dey talk. So una Oba don cause for woman trafficking, but una musicians still dey do trafficking. Wetin una want talk? Una not talk about una musician wey be trafficker. When e be say una Oba don cause about trafficking, una dey cause person say person dey do ashawo make e enter house. Woman wey dey do ashawo say dey take care of the children. Una say make e enter house. Una Oba wey cause trafficking. When it be say una own musicians dey do trafficking, wetin una talk?
I bet mute us that. Person they talk to, they talk to Okuta, no they know what they talk. Why not they talk the truth?
wait, Okuta, wait. He say una Oba sister, where you come from?
Not be my Oba, I not be Edo. Not be my Oba, I beg.
Where you from? You be? Where you come from?
Sheila, I see that word where you talk.
No, wait, may I ask a question?
You don't swear everything.
Sister, where you come from? I beg, may we know where you come from.
Unmute your mic.
Unmute your mic, may we know where you come from, my darling.
I see that talk where you can't talk last. You don't spoil everything.
Wait, baby Sky, wait. May you talk now, you don't mute yourself.
Yeah, okay, you dey hear me now. I hear you from come now dey important. I been at the matter when they on ground.
No. That word where you use here.
Because they bullying. Now let person hear what she dey talk. Everybody dey talk.
Maybe not be your Oba.
Because you there, not me to person.
Waiting.
You not get any reasonable to when this girl they talk for yeah. What do you now get when
I say now Oba, not be my Oba.
Oba, we know where you come from now. You dey where you come from. You dey where you come from. That where you come from, you not very important. You don't know where you come from. You go tell us where you come now. Oba. When our Oba swear put, not be all of una happy put. No enter house.
I no go blame man.
Oba when you dey talk so.
Mama, no one is so. I want no Oba. Here you cannot there. Mama, you boy.
You don't have respect.
Aye mani nyane no ba viari je kino de ade na wa agboka no Olita sote aye mani nyane no ba wari je money not talk any see I dey craze so me are not well people wey get the oba when of this is 3 days ago now when they talk this matter see me I dey craze I not well oh so everybody not call the cause only for here
mama
you hear me so
wetin dey there this lady when he come up she be my friend. I know her very well. The reason why she talk
Mama, where you see?
I know her, now my follower, now she not be Edo. She's not from Edo State. Okay. Edo State, understand? No, she's not from Edo State. Now you young woman. What you call Data Igbo. Okay, understand? She not be
but she talk any that woman they talk rubbish.
She go get data.
You have to close this your program. Listen, if you don't know what you are doing, close this your program. Why? Because what you do in the next